Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am here Kanchan and here I have taken chapter 6 of history class 6 and kingdoms, kings and early republic. So we will talk about monarchy and democratic countries. So here Shankarsan woke up to see his grandparents already to go and vote. So here Shankaran is a student here and as a boy you can say, and he saw that his family members were going for election for their voting, and here he saw his grandparents they were going to just vote of their candidates. So here choosing leaders or rulers by voting is something that is here that has been here for 50 years in our country, but before this around 3000 years ago there were there were people who would who had their rulers and their kings, and they were called rajas, and they were not chosen as election through election. So what was the process? We find some changes taking place in the ways in which rajas were chosen. Some men now became recognized as rajas by performing very big sacrifices. So in those days what would happen? Sacrifices means havan, पूजा, यज्ञ. तो यहाँ पे जो बड़े राजा होते थे, जो मतलब ग्रेट या पावरफुल यू कैन से, तो जो पावरफुल किंग होते थे वो बहुत बड़ा सेक्रीफाइस करते थे, यज्ञ करते थे, एंड ड्यू टू दैट परफॉर्मेंस दे वुड बी कॉल्ड the great king or powerful king. As you would have read about Lord Rama, as he had done Ashwamedha Yagya, and in that Yagya what happened, what would happen, I am telling you. So here the Ashwamedha Yagya or horse sacrifice was one such ritual. Ritual means होता है कर्म कांड, like a ceremony, like action was done at that time. A horse was let loose to wander freely. जो राजा पावरफुल होता था वो एक घोड़े को छोड़ देता था, एंड इट वॉज गार्डेड बाय द राजाज मेन, और इसको राजा के लोग जो है देखते थे, एंड मतलब देखते थे कि हु इज गोइंग टू होल्ड, और जो स्टॉप करता था, जो उसको रोकता था, ही द पर्सन हैड द किंग हैड टू फाइट. So I am just giving you example as in the reference of Lord Rama, when he had left the horse, then it was stopped by Lav and Kush. Then Lav Kush had to also fight with Lord Rama. So ये होता था, जो राजा उसको पकड़ लेता था, इसका मतलब वो राजा जो होल्ड करता था, जो पकड़ता था हॉर्स को, वो उसकी चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करता था. सो इट वॉज देयर टू शो हाउ मच पावरफुल द किंग वॉज. सो उसके बाद वो क्या करते थे? सेक्रीफाइस करते थे. दैट वॉज परफॉर्म्ड बाय द किंग and also priest means brahmans, and the raja who organized the sacrifice was very organized as being very powerful. So after sacrifice the king would become very powerful. The raja was a central figure. राजा उसमें central figure means main होते थे, and also his charioteers who charioteers का मतलब होता है जो रथ को डील करता था या रथ को कैरी ऑन करता था, ड्राइवर कह सकते हो in your language. So who was his companion in the battlefield and witnessed his exploits. So here chanted tales of his glory. तो ये लोग उनकी विजय गाथा गाते थे, उनकी ब्रेवरी की कहानियां या सुनाते थे, गाते थे. His relatives especially his wives, sons had to perform a variety. मतलब वो लोग इस तरह से रिचुअल को परफॉर्म करते थे. और स्पेक्टेटर्स होते थे मतलब ऑडियंस होते थे वहाँ पे, जिनको राजा बुलाते थे एज अ गेस्ट. द ऑर्डिनरी पीपल, द विश और वैश्या ऑल्सो ब्रॉड गिफ्ट फॉर द किंग. सो इट वॉज देयर हाउ डिड दे शो that they were powerful. Here we will talk about Varnas. So here in Rigveda, about which you learnt in chapter 5, these include Varna, like priest, and described how rituals were to be performed. So there were several different groups in society at this time: priests and warriors, farmers, herders, traders, craft persons, laborers, fishing, and folk and forest people. So these were there. The first Varna was that of the Brahmin. Brahmins were the supreme, and Brahmins were expected to study Vedas or teach the Vedas, perform sacrifices, मतलब पूजा हवन में भी वो sacrifice करते थे, मतलब he would perform that. And in the second place were the rulers. Second place पे rulers होते थे, and third place पर वैश्याज, मतलब जिसको आप कह सकते हो बिजनेसमैन होते थे, एंड दे वर एक्सपेक्टेड टू द फार्मर्स. वो फार्मर्स भी होते थे एंड ट्रेडर्स भी होते थे. बोथ द क्षत्रियाज एंड वैश्याज कुड perform sacrifices. Last Varna was the Shudras, who had to serve the other three groups, and they did not perform any rituals. Means जो शूद्राज होते थे उनको रिचुअल्स को परफॉर्म करने की परमिशन नहीं थी. Women and Shudras were not allowed to study the Vedas also. But somewhere it was not there because many ladies they had read Vedas, but untouchables they were not. Untouchables means Shudras. They were not allowed to perform yajnas, to perform sacrifices. Many people did not accept the system of Varna let down, that I told you, because many women were there who had also learnt Vedas, and who besides some people felt that other should be no differences. लोगों ने ये भी कहा कि यहाँ पे कोई भी difference नहीं होना चाहिए because we are human being. And also there were many areas in the subcontinent such as the northeast where social and economics differences were not very sharp. मतलब it was not practiced in many areas also. So okay students, I will continue in my next video. Thank you and Jai Hind.